in an endless cycle of root canals, crowns, and bridge work? Are you looking for a permanent solution for complex dental problems? Are you having problems with dentures that slip and slide and never quite feel right? Are you?
I'm not, but there are a lot of people that are.
I just was curious. I'm glad I threw that question out there.
Here's the thing. There's a cutting-edge treatment that may help to improve the look and function of your teeth and your quality of life. Doctors Matthew Nawrocki and Richard Aguila of Jacksonville Dental Specialists have been helping people with something that's called Hybridge, and I actually hadn't heard of it until today. So welcome.
Yeah, thank you for being here.
Guys. This is really cool stuff, and you guys did a lot of schooling to be the only ones in Jacksonville that are doing this. But what is Hybridge?
Yes, Hybridge is a specific technique that we use at Jacksonville Dental Specialists that has been perfected and results in a fixed dental restoration that replaces up to 12 teeth and is supported by 5 to 6 dental implants. As specialists, we provide the full array of tooth replacement options for our patients, from single tooth replacement to full mouth reconstruction, such as Hybridge.
Wow.
And what are the benefits of Hybridge?
So the Hybridge process was developed for the patient with complex dental needs. Someone who's stuck in the endless cycle of treatment, retreatments, you get some crowns, root canals, only to have them redone 5, 10, 15 years later. Or the patient who's wearing a denture their whole life. It moves around. They have sore spots. They can't eat. They can't smile. They're just in constant agony in their mouth, and oftentimes just don't even wear it. And as Dr. Aguila said, it is a fixed, permanent solution. Unlike a denture that comes in and out of the mouth, this does not. It is attached to 5 or 6 dental implants, and it does not come in and out. The dentist or your Hybridge provider can take it out if we need to service it. You need to repair something like that, but it is permanent. It does not come in and out.
That must be a wonderful thing for people, that maintenance and the feeling like maybe certain things they can't eat or don't want to eat. I'm sure there's a lot of comfort in that. Do you guys offer, I mean, does insurance, do personal insurance cover this, or do you guys offer any kind of financial aid?
Everyone's insurance is different. Your policy to your provider, even within the same provider, they differ. So the first thing is contact your provider. Find out if you have dental implant coverage. Not everyone does, and some people do to varying degrees. If you have it, you'll find that you often meet your annual limits with things like this. And so if you need further options, further financial arrangements, we're happy to work with you.
Can any dentist offer this procedure?
Beyond dental school, Dr. Nawrocki and myself completed residencies in prosthodontics and periodontics, respectively. These are ADA-recognized specialties. Through our residency training, through our vast experience in treating complex cases, and through a certification process, we were selected as the exclusive providers of Hybridge.
In Jacksonville? So there's nobody else in Jacksonville that's doing what you guys are doing?
That is correct.
How cool is that? How do these work exactly? Because I know we got a glimpse at this over here, but it's one piece, but are there the gums are there as well? Because I know a lot of people, like you said, a lot of people that have this work done over and over and over again, I'm sure the gums start to recede and you have a lot of problems.
So most of these patients, whether you have gum disease, lots of chronic retreatment issues, they're not just needing a tooth replacement. This truly is a prosthesis. It replaces the gums, the bone, the supporting structures, and so oftentimes the patient has had a long history of bone loss, and so on these prostheses it's replacing that. There's a pink component. It is one piece. That's where it gets its strength from, why we can put it on 5 implants, not necessarily 1 implant per tooth. So because of the built-in efficiency with these, the time, the cost is much cheaper than if you were to do a single tooth replacement. 1 implant per tooth, 1 crown per tooth. It is a much more cost-effective approach as well. So time is much shorter, and cost is certainly much lower on prosthesis like this.
That makes sense. Proof is in the pudding. That's always kind of the thing. And you guys brought some before and afters. So maybe we can take a look at a couple of those, and you can just explain what you did. These are full sets here?
These to varying degrees. These people had a chronic history of their teeth breaking down, gum disease, chronic infection, pain, just root canals, retreating root canals. Just they were tired of it. They wanted to be done. This offered them a solution where they could finally be done. They could finally have a treatment for the better part of the rest of their life.
And where can people go if they want to get more information on this and learn more about the procedure?
The first place to start is our website, jacksonvillehybridge.com. You'll see a host of before and after photos, all the information on what the actual prosthesis is, how it's made, what your process is, how long it takes. Typically, it can be done as quick as 8 to 10 weeks, as long as sometimes 16 weeks, depending on your needs. But start at the website. We also do monthly seminars to explore all your dental options, not just your Hybridge options.
And as a matter of fact, you have one tomorrow, right?
We do. It's at 6:30 tomorrow evening. You can call us for more information on that and get signed up. So we will be having one tomorrow evening.
Very cool. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, appreciate you being here.
Thank you.
Thanks
We'd
for
like to
having
thank
us.
Jacksonville Hybridge for sponsoring this segment.
To learn more about your dental implant options or to sign up for the next seminar, which is tomorrow at Jacksonville, I'm sorry, what the name again?
The website is jacksonvillehybridge.com.
Oh, thank you.
And the Jacksonville dental specialists are the people to contact.
And the number is 904-460-4201.